are showcasing at Impress this year?
We are focusing on Industry 4.0 and e-mobility that are major products. E-mobility, we have complete solutions, and a lot of people are still developing, but we are bringing a solution now. Full team, project team is working on that in Kempten, Germany, and then we have the tools ready and they are on display. That's one thing, and other thing is like we have displayed for aerospace, we have displayed for electronic industry. So all the major segments which are growing right now are on the display. And besides that, as I said, we are also displaying green carbide, which is related to sustainability. That's also new, and that is made out of recycled powder and with almost 80% less carbon footprint. On Industry 4.0, we have products like tool scope. The literature is there. Actually, it is like a software and hardware, so it can be demoed with a machine. So we are talking on that. Besides that, some of the tools with latest technology like electronic display, Bluetooth technology are there on the display. We have one more thing which is called like completely integrated cycle. So if we have, for example, a tool to be specific boring bar, and then a machine, and then an inspection instrument. So all three work in a loop, and the tool gets automatically updated. So there's no manual intervention needed. A lot of things are there which are on display.
So, what is your investment in R&D as well as in skill development?
In India or global, R&D happens globally.
Globally,
Here we do more or less development.
Okay.
So research is internal target is almost 5% of our turnover is to be invested in R&D. And that we are doing.
So, what are the major technological trends that are driving this sector?
Right now, e-mobility, and for CERATIZIT, we are quite ahead of the industry. We are aggressively pushing and working on sustainability, green carbide. We also are inviting people to reduce their carbon footprint. All those things. Besides that, it is additive manufacturing. We have products on the display, and we are taking real advantage of that. That helps us to have better parameters and all.
So, the R&D happens in Germany and the development happens here. So, is there any, do you do any customization for the Indian market?
Yeah, definitely. Yes. So we do a lot of customization. So development means it is majorly customization. So as per customer requirement, we provide solution to them. For example, there is a product, let's say a tool, which is developed by CERATIZIT in Germany. But here a customer needs something different. So we'll modify the tool and give it to them. So modification and development, we work closely with customer and we give customized solution.
So, what are your estimations for 2023 market-wise?
Market-wise, Indian market will be.
What about global?
Global, there are mixed responses. Right now, it's not very sure. In Europe, earlier it was expected that there will be recession, energy prices, and all that. But now it's looking like it will not be so bad. So we'll see in the coming days how the things are.
Which sector is good?
Which is going to take leap of.
Yeah, in India, electronics is going to electronic machining like mobile is going to take the lead. And besides that, aerospace is developing very well. Plus, defense sector, due to the global issues and conditions, will grow. Railways is already picking up with the government policies and infrastructure. So that's already there. So lot of segments are growing actually.